Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 8th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, every single day I've been coming on here and I've been saying that we should be doing nothing but looking for longs on gold. Now, the next Fibonacci extension level is actually a weekly time frame Fib extension, and it's right around the 4,065 area. Definitely could be an area of resistance. Even when it does start to move down, it's very likely to going to end up being something like this for a wave four. And honestly, we definitely do not have any signs of the wave four starting yet. So we are definitely still saying the exact same thing I've been saying every single day. I'm looking for one, two, three-way pullbacks to go long. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now at the top of a wave, but I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short on gold when gold is in a extremely strong uptrend on every single time frame. So what the best we can hope for is that it does start a pullback and maybe it makes like another three-way pullback. It gives us more opportunities to go long for the continuation of this big wave three uptrend on every single time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.